Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to hang out with you today. I'm sharing with you all of my latest and greatest must-have beauty products. These are basically my February favorites. I have been testing out so many new products. I am always testing out products for you guys, for myself, obviously, but for you guys too, because I'm always keeping up with the latest, the greatest. So I'm sharing with you all of the newest products that, the latest finds that I've absolutely been loving. Before I get into this video, I do want to preface this video though by saying any of the previous months, any previous favorites videos that I've done, those products are still in my favorites category. I always get comments from people that are like, well, what about last month? You said this product was your favorite. How is that not your favorite anymore? That's not the case. I'm in the skincare industry. I'm in the beauty industry. I get sent a lot of products. I have to test out a lot of products, and I have to decide whether or not I want to carry certain things on Skin Truth, whether I want to use them myself, whether I want to recommend them to my customers, my followers, you name it. So that's what I do. So everything that I share with you, whether it's a previous month, does not mean that just disappears. That's obviously still a favorite. And then what I'm sharing with you now is just a new thing that I've discovered, a new thing that I've tested out, and it's freaking good. So if you want to see, what I personally use myself, you can watch my skincare routine videos. You can follow me on Instagram. I'm always talking about things that I'm using myself. These are products that I am using myself, but I've also tested and can recommend them to other people. So I hope that makes sense. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm just pulling out things in no particular order here. But I'm going to start with this because this is magic, pure magic for your hair. This is actually a new launch by Virtue, which I carry the Virtue hair brand on Skin Truth because it is so beyond amazing. I've carried them and have been using them myself now for so long. So Virtue has their patented alpha keratin 60Ku, which is a protein that is actually found in real human hair that they extract from real human hair, and they put it into their products so that when you use their products, that protein is actually accepted into your own hair. So most hair brands out there use a protein to help repair hair or help repair damage that is actually taken from like animal byproducts, like hooves and you name it, from animal byproducts. That's where they get their protein. So it doesn't necessarily always translate to your hair, your actual human hair really accepting it in. It's the same with your skin. When you apply something to your skin that your skin recognizes, it's going to draw it in, it's going to recognize it, and it's going to actually utilize that ingredient. So that is what Virtue has done, and that's what sets this brand apart from any other hair care brand out there. They have this patented protein, and this is their new recovery, their damage reverse serum, and I absolutely am blown away by this product. It comes out in this like serumy kind of cream, look like a creamy serum texture, and I just take this on my damp hair when I get out of the shower, and I go from like mid strand down, so anywhere where there's breakage, there's damage, anything, dryness, this has completely changed my hair. So this just launched, but they sent it to me early. So I've been testing this out for weeks. It does wonders. It's probably the best hair product I've ever used for repairing my hair of all time. It is that good. So this is a hit, you guys. Another product I've been loving is the Glymed Plus, the mattifying sulfur mask. This is a 10% sulfur, and that is so good if you have rosacea or acne prone skin, breakouts on your skin, because sulfur is so antibacterial. It kills all bacteria within your skin. So it's so good for, again, rosacea, acne prone skin. And it just completely knocks out redness and dries up any little breakout that you possibly have. I love this. I just spot treat with it, or I will apply a full face because it also really helps with pores and just kind of decongesting pores. It's fabulous. So over the past month, I've found a new sunscreen that I've been absolutely loving. I did a whole video on this, but if you did not see that video, it's the new Clear Stem, the UR Sunshine SPF. I carry all the Clear Stem products on Skin Truth. I love this brand so much. If you're acne prone, have full-on acne, this brand is just going to work wonders for you. The supplements I've talked about in previous videos. I think I talked about the supplements in my past monthly favorites. They're so good. But I started recently testing out the SPF, and it is so amazing. It is lightweight. It is a light tint, but it feels like nothing on your skin, but gives a light coverage, but it also doesn't transfer and it leaves your skin a little bit more, I want to say, not matte, because I hate things that are matte on my skin, but it's not glowy. I just love the finish of it so much. And I love that it doesn't transfer. It's just super nice. And also has amazing ingredients. It's a pure 21% zinc oxide SPF. So it's all mineral and just fabulous, like soothing, calming ingredients. If you have rosacea, if you have acne, again, for anyone, it's just great ingredients. So I was sharing with you guys in a previous video, I take this SPF as my daily SPF, no foundation needed. It is very light coverage compared to like the Color Science Flex that I love too. So when I'm using this, I want to spot treat any like little red areas, or if I have any blemishes, you just want to spot treat and get flawless skin. So even though it's a little bit more sheer light coverage, I have been loving the Isden skin drops, and I will take this and I will just take a tiny little drop anywhere where I have a blemish, or say you have like a red spot on your cheek or a broken capillary, wherever, just little imperfections. If you want to spot treat, this is better than a concealer. This is so lightweight. It comes in a dropper form. It is so like thin in consistency, and it just like sucks into your skin and just does not budge. It's something like super magical with this formulation. I love it so much. The only thing is there's only two colors, and it's sand or bronze. So there's not a whole wide variety of different colors. Sand is what I usually use when I'm not self-tanning. I actually did self-tan lately, which I will share with you what I've been using. So the sand is actually a little bit light for me. The bronze is a little bit off for me. So I wish they would come out with more drops. But if you are in the sand or bronze category, the Isden drops are so fabulous. Now, what I'm doing right now, because I did just self-tan, and these work just the same. These are the Dermablend Flawless Creator Drops, which I've talked about in so many videos. I've been using these for years. I absolutely love these. These come in like a million different shades, so they have a wide variety of skin tones. And these have the same dropper kind of form. And you can just take these and just spot treat wherever you want to cover up anything. Again, a blemish, a red area on your skin. It just makes everything flawless without having to put a full face of foundation on. Okay, so we're going to talk about tanning right now because I've been getting really tired of looking at my super pale, pretty much translucent skin in the mirror. So what I've been doing is I've been taking the Epicurious Lipid Body Treatment, which I just love. I love this, body moisturizer. It is expensive, but again, all of the tightening body treatments, the body creams that really help with crepey skin, smooth crepey skin, help tighten things up, they're all expensive. And I actually have to say that this body cream, this body treatment lasts forever. I've been using this and I've like barely made a dent. This is going to last you forever. The thing that I love about this is not only is it going to tighten your skin, smooth out crepiness, and just really provide that hydration to your skin, it's the most beautiful texture of all time. It's kind of like a serum-y gel consistency where it's super, super light on the skin. It's not sticky. It is not heavy. And it's honestly probably my favorite texture body product of all time. So what I'm saying is I've been taking this, and I've actually been taking the Tan Luxe The Body. This is the Illuminating Self Tan Drops, and I've been using these mixed in with this to create the perfect natural glowy bronze all over my body. I absolutely love it. I am the worst self tanner. If you give me a self tanner and you tell me it's easy to work with, or it's not going to leave streaks, I guarantee you I will be left with streaks all over. I don't know what it is about me. I'm like terrible at self tanning, but I can do this. I can actually mix these two together. And because you're just mixing a couple drops in with your body moisturizer, and then you're just moisturizing at the same time and just rubbing it all over, it comes out really nice and even and natural. I will say if you add too many drops, it can leave streaks, because that has happened to me because I got a little bit overzealous with this and added too much drops. And then I was like, ooh, okay. I woke up the next morning with streaks. I've calmed it down. You just take a little bit, of your drops and mix it in with your moisturizer, and it just gives you the most beautiful natural tan look. So SkinCeuticals, the #1 medical grade skincare brand in the world, just launched a new product. And I have to say, it has become one of my favorite SkinCeuticals products. It's the new SkinCeuticals Cell Cycle Catalyst. I just call it CCC. It is amazing. So it's basically your exfoliating serum. It has your glycolic, your lactic, your malic. It has taurine in it to help stimulate a healthy skin barrier. It is so, so good. And I have more sensitive skin, and my skin has been just loving it. So what you do with this is you actually apply this first in your routine. You apply this first, and then you move on with your skincare. Now, if you're using a growth factor, you apply a growth factor first, then this, and then the rest of your skincare. But this just works so well with your vitamin C. And it also works super well if you're using like a brightening serum. I was just talking on my Instagram the other day that I love the Vivid brightening serum by Hydrinity. It's so good if you have melasma or any discoloration on your skin. You use this with that and you will have the clear skin. Even people with crazy melasma are seeing insane results when you use this. You follow with the Hydrinity Vivid. Again, I love it. It comes out in this very, very light serum. Take a couple drops, pat them onto your skin once a day, and it's going to accelerate that cell turnover. It's going to eat away at all the dead skin cells that are just sitting on the surface of your face. It's going to help with fine lines and wrinkles. It is going to help with hyperpigmentation and discoloration spots on your skin. It helps to decrease pore size. It does everything. And I have found this product to be magic. Magic for my skin. I absolutely love it. You've seen me talk about it if you follow me on Instagram. It is so good. Okay, this next product honestly shocked me so much. So I got sent this product like months before it even launched. And I kind of just didn't even think anything about it because I already have a product that I've loved for years. And I'm like, yeah, whatever. It's not going to be that great. It's not going to be better than what I already have. So funny, right? And I do that a lot. I have like my favorite things, and then I'm like, nothing's gonna beat it, right? So you guys know I love the Revision Lip Replenisher. It's my go-to for my lips every single night. It is so good. Not only is it like anti-aging and peptides and hydration, it's like it's been my staple for years. But Anfisa has come out with their Ann Gloss. It's a ceramide lip treatment. And again, it's so funny because I got sent this so long ago and it kind of took me a while to really test it out because I just was like, yeah, it's never going to be as good as my Revision. Well, you guys, I think it's actually overtaking my Revision. I've been using this nonstop during the day and at night, and I love what this does to my lips. It's got everything from ceramides to cholesterol to peptides to the most amazing hydration. But the thing that I love about it is I can use it during the day or night. Like the Revision is more of like a lip mask at night. I can't wear it during the day. This is beautiful during the day. Even with no lipstick, no lip gloss, like nothing on your lips, just bare lips, you apply this during the day and it just makes your lips look so smooth and beautiful. I can't even. I love it so much. And people have asked me on Instagram because I've been talking about it. People are like, oh my God, you really love it more than Revision. I'm like, I think I do. I think I actually do, which I hate saying that because I feel like I'm cheating on Revision and I still love Revision. Love it. But I'm really loving the new Anfisa. You guys, it's a game changer. Another thing I've been testing out this month is some beauty oils. And I've been testing out specifically the Future 5 Golden Touch Oil. And I've been testing out the Lyra Clinical Mystique Illuminating Beauty Oil. Both of these are amazing. You can use them on their own, just as like your nightly kind of like moisturizer, or, your last step in your skincare routine. Or you can take a couple drops of one of these and apply it in with your nighttime moisturizer. And it just kind of like amps up the hydration, amps up the ingredients. And I love that. So Future 5, I will get into in a second. I actually just brought this brand onto Skin Truth. It's a super clean brand. Very amazing, effective ingredients. The way they formulate is super cool. I love this brand. So yes, I brought them onto Skin Truth and I love their Golden Touch oil. It is very botanical based, but very skin barrier loving, very hydrating with the most beneficial ingredients, and you will see a difference. Like, I absolutely love this, again, on its own, or you can mix this in with a moisturizer. And then the Lyra Clinical, the Mystique Illuminating Beauty Oil, I love too. This is super anti-inflammatory. This has so much technology to knock out redness and inflammation in the skin. Again, it comes out in this beautiful, lightweight, just gorgeous oil. It's also loaded with amazing hydrating ingredients. And again, you can use this on its own or mix them into a moisturizer. So speaking of Future 5, again, I brought this brand on to Skin Truth over the past month. If you have followed me on Instagram, I'm on Instagram every single day. So you kind of get to see all the daily things of Skin Truth and my skincare and what I'm testing and all of that stuff on my Instagram. But Future 5 is such an amazing brand. Again, a more clean, more natural brand, but they infuse, again, like science and nature together to give you these like amazing results, which I love. So I have been loving the clear makeup remover by Future 5. Oh my gosh. This is like amazing ingredients. It comes out in this milky, milky, balmy consistency that just removes everything off your skin so well. If you have, SPF on, makeup on, you put this on a cotton pad or even use it with your fingers and, massage this into your skin, everything comes off. Everything. It is so good and it leaves your skin so hydrated and so soft. And I'm absolutely obsessed. I've actually just recently started using this instead of my micellar solution. I've been using this as my first step to get everything off, and then I go in with an actual cleanser. I'm addicted to this. So speaking of Future 5, the brand is called Future 5 Elements. I brought them on because I love all of their products, from their serums to their moisturizers. You name it, they have something for everyone. Whether you're oily, whether you're, dealing with acne and congested skin, whether you're dealing with, needing to repair your skin barrier, whether you're anti-aging, you name it, they have something for everyone. And I do want to spotlight their drops because this is what has gotten me to fall in love completely with this brand. This is the first thing I tried when I was testing out this brand, was these beauty drops. I was like, hell yes, you guys, these work so well. And then I started testing out the rest of the brand and I was like, oh my gosh, this is such a good brand. It works. I see differences in my skin when I use the products and I love them. But the beauty drops are the first thing I tested out from the brand, and I am just fascinated by these. They're these super lightweight beauty drops. They come in beauty drops number 1, 2, or 3. They're all made for different reasons, but they just absorb into your skin. They layer with any skincare routine you're doing, and they each do something different, and yet each one does its job. Each one, you will see a difference, and it does exactly what it says it's going to do. So number 1 is made for fragile skin, super sensitive skin, someone that's trying to rebuild a skin barrier and just really repair any damage to irritated skin. I love it so much. Number 2 is going to be super anti-aging and hydrating to the skin. Absolutely amazing for more mature skin and anyone looking to just supercharge their anti-aging routine. And then the number 3 beauty drops are going to really decongest any type of congested pores, any breakouts. This overnight will help to minimize and take away breakouts. It's absolutely insane. I will take this serum anytime I'm feeling a little congested or if I have a little breakout, and it takes it away overnight. These are magic. So I love those. Those are amazing. And those beauty drops are what started my obsession with Future 5 Elements, the brand. It's so good. And again, I just brought that brand onto Skin Truth over the past month, and I am super, super excited about that. But that is everything. I feel like this video is super long. Thanks for sticking around and hanging out. I will link all these products down below in the description box. Leave a comment, say hi. As always, let me know if you have tried any of these. Let me know what future videos you want to see on my channel. And that is it for today. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.